Hello my friend. Welcome back to Englishvish. I am really happy you are here today. Thank you for giving me your time. Before we start, take a slow breath. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Today, we talk about something very important. Something many learners feel, but few people talk about. How to think in English. If you feel stuck, this video is for you. If you feel slow, this video is for you. If you feel shy, this video is for you. You are not alone. I promise. Let me ask you a question. When you speak English, do you translate in your head? From your language to English? It feels heavy, right? It feels slow. It feels stressful. And sometimes, your mind becomes blank. That is okay. This happens to many people. This happened to me too. When I started learning English, I was very confused. I knew words, but I could not think. My brain was tired. I wanted to speak fast, but I couldn't. I felt bad about myself. Maybe you feel this too. If yes, please listen to me. You are not bad at English. You are just learning. Thinking in English is a skill, and skills grow slowly. Now let us learn together. Step by step. No pressure. First, please understand one thing. You do not need big English. You need small English. Simple English is powerful. So here is tip number 1. Think in words, not sentences. This is very important. When you see something, name it in English. Look around you now. What do you see? A phone, a table, a chair, a light. Just say the word in your mind. Phone, table, chair. Do not add grammar. Do not add rules. Only words. This is the first step to thinking in English. Very easy. Very natural. Now tip number 2. Use your daily life. Do not use books all the time. Use your real life. In the morning, when you wake up, say in your mind, I wake up. When you go to the bathroom, say, I wash my face. When you eat, say, I eat food. Simple. Real. This English is alive. You do not need perfect sentences. You need real sentences. Now tip number 3. Talk to yourself. Yes, you can do this. You are not crazy. You are learning. You can talk quietly, in your room, or in your mind. For example, I am tired. I feel happy. I need water. These are normal thoughts. Children do this naturally. That is why they learn fast. You can do it too. Now tip number 4. Stop translating. Slowly. I know this is hard. Do not worry. You do not need to stop today. Just try a little. When a thought comes, in your language, do not fight it. Just change it. For example, if you think, मुझे भूख लगी है. Do not translate word by word. Just say, I am hungry. That's enough. Meaning is more important than perfect words. Now tip number 5. Use easy sentences again and again. Repeat the same sentences every day. This is not boring. This is powerful. For example, I like tea. I like tea. I like tea. Your brain learns by repetition. Small sentences make strong thinking. Now tip number 6. Make mistakes your friends. Please listen carefully. Mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you are trying. If you never make mistakes, you never grow. When you say something wrong, smile. Say, it's okay. Be kind to yourself. You are learning a new language. That is brave. Now tip number 7. Practice a little every day. Not 1 hour. Not 2 hours. Just 5 minutes. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Consistency is magic. Even when you feel tired, do one small thing. 1 word. 1 sentence. It is enough. Now let me tell you something. From my heart. Thinking in English does not come fast. It comes quietly. One day, you will notice something. You will think a word in English without trying. That moment is beautiful. So please be patient. Do not compare yourself. Do not rush. Your journey is yours. You are doing better than you think. Tomorrow, practice again. Even if you feel lazy, even if you feel slow, just show up. I am proud of you. Really. Thank you for listening. If this video helped you, please like it. Subscribe to Englishvish for calm English practice. Come back tomorrow. We will learn again. Together. You are not alone.